A man listed among the police most wanted in western Jamaica was shot and killed by the police in Westmoreland this morning. He has been identified as 25-year-old Sadan Mullings, otherwise called Saddam. The cops list this as a major step in the crime-fighting effort, as the deceased was linked to a long list of murders.
Just 1 week ago, Sadan Mullins, OC Saddam, was listed among several others as Hanover's most wanted. Today, he's dead. He was killed in a running gun battle with the police in White House, Westmoreland, Saturday morning. Head of the Police Corporate Communications Unit, Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, describes this as a major relief for residents of Hanover.
This development is very, very significant because he's wanted for over 20 murders committed in the parish alone, and there are some others. When I spoke with the commanding officer, they are still looking at the cases that he's involved in.
According to Superintendent Lindsay, this operation is only the latest of several carried out in an attempt to apprehend Mullings, all of which failed over the past few months. However, she says he was injured in a previous operation this week, which eyewitnesses say was evident when they encountered him this morning.
He left hand a bleed. And when he come there, I sent you some peroxide out of bag. He took out some peroxide out of bag and chew up on his hand. And his hand kind of cool down. Saying hold it up. Saying hold it up, hold it up, hold it up. And he see police come and say, police. And same time run west and go around so. When he reach out there so, he start fire. So I know say, a gunman that.
The duration of the firing extended for more than half an hour. I finally heard that he was captured out by the square out by the road.
A police vehicle was shot up. A policeman was shot. Thanks to his bulletproof vest, his life was saved, and he was shot during that encounter. Uzi submachine gun as well as a Glock pistol was taken from him, and another of his crony was shot and injured.
Mullings had numerous shootouts with the police, including several in Hanover and one recently in St. Anne. Some residents say it was evident that he was new to this part of Westmoreland.
But he doesn't know White House. If he could have swum, he could have swum and see and maybe he would be alive. But he can't swim, he will drown. He couldn't get away today. His time has come.
Herman Green, TVJ News.